Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Oshi Jain. Today's my Viva topic is pharmacovigilance overview. Pharmacovigilance is the science activity relating to assessment, detection, assessment, understandings and prevention of ADR, effect or any other drug-related problems. Uh, First is definitions and scope of pharmacovigilance. Encompass the collections, detections, assessment, monitoring and preventions of ADR effect associated with pharmaceutical products, including both medicinal drug and vaccines. Importance. It play a curricular role in ensuring the safety efficacy of drug post market approval. It helps in identifying previously unknown adverse effect, assessing risks and taking appropriate regulatory actions. Then objective, the primary objective of pharmacovigilance indicates identifying previously unrecognized adverse effect, assessing the risks and the benefits of medicines, minimizing harms and adverse effects, providing information to support safe and effective use of medicines, contributing to the rational and safe use of medicine. Then process, data collection, gathering information of the ADR from various sources such as healthcare professionals, patients, literatures and regulatory authorities. Signal detections, analyzing collected data to identify potential signals of new or changing risks associated with drugs. Assessment, evaluating the identified signal to determine the causal relationship between the drug and the adverse event. Risk management, implementation strategies to minimize risks associated with drug use such as updating products, labeling, restrictions, uses or conducting additional studies. Then communications, disseminating safety information to healthcare professional, regulatory agencies and the public to promote safe and effective use of medicines. Then regulatory reporting, reporting adverse event to regulate authorities in compliances with legal requirement. Then our regulatory framework, pharmacovigilance is regulated by various international, regional and national authorities such as WHO, FDA, EMA. These agencies establish guidelines and regulations to ensure the safety efficacy of the medicines. Pharmacovigilance including under reporting of ADR events, data quality issue, limited resource and the complexity of assessing causality in adverse event. Then future trends, emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, big data analytics and real world evidence are accepted to enhance pharmacovigilance by improving signals detections, risk management and decision making process. Overall, pharmacovigilance play a curricular role in public health by monitoring the safety of the medicine through the life cycle. Pharmacovigilance, in pharmacovigilance, use of medicines, regulatory reporting adverse event to regulate authorities in companies with legal requirement. Regulatory framework, pharmacovigilance is regulated by various international, regional and national authorities such as the World Health Organizations, then Food Drug Administrations, European Medicines Agencies and others agencies establish guidelines and regulations to ensure the safety of the medicines. Future trends, emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, big data analysis and real world evidence are accepted to enhance pharmacovigilance by improving signal risk detections, assessments and decision making process. In overall, pharmacovigilance is achieved. Pharmacovigilance is a high cost. In pharmacovigilance, the thalidomide disaster is the history of pharmacovigilance. It is a very the thalidomide disaster takes the pregnant women. The drug is take the pregnant woman when the newborn baby is newborn baby birth. At that time the at that time the at that time the baby comes, benefit risk assessment phase, evaluating the overall balance between benefits and risks of drugs to inform regulatory decisions and recommendations for its use. Thank you.